Hello, lovelies. So, welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara, and here I do unboxings and reviews and this and that, and today I have that. So, I won a contest on Instagram, and it was a good contest to win. There's a lot of contests that I enter, and I actually won something. So, this is, I'm thinking that you say it Decorté AQ or Decorté AQ I. So it's perfect repair kit. I'm actually thinking, I think that this is Korean. Yeah, I'm like 99% sure. So it's like Decorté AQ. I don't know how, that looks French, but I know that it's Korean. So maybe it's French Korean. So, okay, this was the beautiful packaging, the box that it came in. And they sent not just like this, that like, it's a whole thing. So, this is Decorté Facial Pure Cotton. Like it's I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Oh, okay. So it's like a bunch. I thought that it was just like a washcloth. That's what it felt like. So it's a bunch of different little, there's probably 100 cloths in here. So cool. All right. Now, this is, I mean, I'm sure you've seen the shorts, but this is what, I thought that I was just getting that and that. So whenever I opened this and I seen this whole thing, I was like over the moon. So this is emulsion. I'm going to have to read up on this and find out what everything means, because everything is in, okay, so this is lotion. Okay, this is interesting. This is cleansing cream, and this is washing cream. So there's two different, a washing cream and a cleansing cream. So that's interesting. Okay, next you have an oil. I guess instead of a serum, they do an oil. Yep, oil infusion. And then I am going to guess that this is like their moisturizer. It just says cream, but so let's open this. And so I'm very excited about this. This looks really, really cool. And to have won it, like I've seen a little bit about it on Instagram. Let's see what this says. Okay, it says AQ signature ingredients: white mucuna extract, a powerful antioxidant long used in ancient medicine to enhance skin's ability to de-stress. Shirakawa water, derived from Japanese white birch tree. Shirakawa water is rich in natural minerals and amino acids to help nourish and soften the skin. And then night blooming cereus, a legendary flower said to bloom only once a summer's night. The woody floral scent helps to soothe the skin and mind. I absolutely love this. A soothing ritual of radiance. The 5-star AQ Perfect Repair Set is an authentic Japanese, I said Korean. I hope I didn't offend anybody by saying, you're seeing a lot of Korean stuff right now, a lot of Korean skincare. So this is Japanese skincare. Ritual to restore, repair, and rejuvenate skin. The AQ collection soothes your skin and relaxes your mind, which increases the skin's regeneration capabilities to help reverse signs of aging caused by stress. I need this in my life so bad right now. Just because, like, I have seriously, since I've started to work again, and which I've been working the last few years, but then I've turned 47 Like, I'm really starting to notice, and I'm sure that you can see probably in the shorts videos or whenever, like, I'm sitting over there. I don't think you can see it as bad in this area, but like when I'm sitting over there and like the sunlight is coming in, I really think that you can see those wrinkles that are, I mean, they're not horrible. And you know, I'm embracing it as best as I can. Like, I'm not going to, you know, like, but still yet, I would like to, like, slow it down as much as possible. And I do believe that stress is something that is hard on your body, you know, your mind and your body. And I've been really, really stressed lately. I'm sure that you guys can tell it and know it. Like, things have just work has just gotten kind of, and like right now we are doing inventory. So inventory is a very stressful time for any work environment. So, you know, I'm sure that after we get through this, everything will go back to normal. But yeah, it's stressful for everybody involved. So this could not have come at a more wonderful time. So I really appreciate them sending this to me, you know, like you gotta love Instagram, and because that's about all I do on Instagram is like enter contests, and I have actually won a couple, so you know, that's cool. All right, I'm gonna shut up now. I'm starting to ramble. So again, thank you to them, and I cannot wait to get into this and let you guys know how cool it is. Because I already know that I can just tell, like, it's going to be awesome. You can tell by the packaging a lot of times, like, now I'm not saying, because there are some things with some pretty packaging that are not worth 50 cents, and we'll talk about that another day. So, all right, I'm going to shut up now, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye.